Hi, this is Passy's World of ICT, and today we're having a look at a free lesson from mathdork.com. This lesson is basically an introduction to integers. Alright, these lessons run as animations and have several scenes and then a quiz at the end. So let's get started. Let's talk money. A positive number means you have money. A negative number means you owe money, so we need to click on the money. Alright, what happens here is they give you main concepts box which summarizes each slide. We'll just move that over here out of the way for now and continue by clicking next. Use the minus to show negative or minus. So that's when you owe money. We use the positive sign or the plus to indicate that we have money. On a number line, the positive numbers are to the right and the negative numbers are to the left. You can see here in the main concepts they summarize what's happened on each slide. Use minus to show negative or minus. Use plus to show positive or plus. We might just have a look at a couple more lessons before we finish up here.
Because numbers are naturally positive, writing a plus in front of a number has no effect.
For example, positive 7 is the same as 7. Even if you do double positive 7, that's still the same as 7. The positive signs we ignore in mathematics. So, let's continue to the next lesson.
But what about the negative sign?
Think of negative as meaning opposite.
What?
Take 4 for example. 4 on the number line we put as 4 units to the right of 0. Now, writing a negative in front of that 4, we can flip around and we go the opposite way, back from 0 to minus 4 or negative 4. We say that negative 4 is the opposite of 4. Again, when the main concepts are summarized here, think of negative as meaning opposite.
What if there is more than one minus sign?
When you have 2 or more minus signs, you can simplify.
How?
Well, 2 negatives in a row make a positive.
Why?
Watch.
So if we have positive 3, we put it on the number line. A negative in front means opposite, so we flip it round the other way. Another negative means flip it again. So we flipped it twice, and we got positive 3.
I see. The minuses cancel each other out.
So 2 minuses in a row make a negative is a very important concept when we do integers, especially for integer subtraction. Alright, so the opposite of minus 3 means that if we just replay that, because I think this is very important, 2 negatives in a row make a positive, and they prove it right here using a number line. We can go to positive 3. Negative 3 is actually the opposite, going to minus 3, but if you do opposite again, you end up back at positive 3. So remember that. Alright, we won't look at any more of this, but basically they take you through more examples, and at the end you can do a lesson quiz. If you like what you saw here, you can go to the YouTube detailed information, and there will be a link to Math Dork, where you can then get a paid subscription and watch many of these great animations to help you learn your mathematics and your algebra. Alright, that's it from Passy's World of ICT. We hope you enjoyed this review of mathdork.com. Remember to check out our YouTube channel, Passy World of ICT, for other videos about mathematics.